Okay. So all of you got the same answer. Okay. So what answer you got? You got 2,500 grams. What weight you got? That is 2,500 grams. The total weight of all the vegetables is 2,500 grams. Now see, the grams we have to convert into kg. Now if there is a above 1,000 kg, so it will become 1 kilogram point something something. Okay, यानी कि अगर 1,000 kg के ऊपर जाता है तो 1,000 हमारा क्या हो जाता है, 1 kg हो जाता है। लेकिन 1,000 kg के अंदर रहता है तो उसको हम ग्राम ग्राम में ही कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, उसको हम केजी में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट डजंट कन्वर्ट इनटू केजी, इट इज नॉट हैविंग द वेट ऑफ 1 kg, it is having the weight of gram only. Okay, so see here, potatoes they are having 750 grams, so we will write 0.750. Why 0? Because it is not having a 1 kg, so we will write 0.750. Onions is 1,000 gram, 1,000 equals to 1 kg, 1,000 equals to 1 kg, so we will write 1.00. Why 00? Because they are having exactly 1,000 grams, not more than 1,000. Exactly 1,000 means only 1 kg, so we will write 1.00. I told you after the point, if there is 0, there is no value, so we will take it as 1 kg only. Okay, cabbage 500 gram, 500 gram. Now we have to convert it into kg, so kg to ye convert hoega nahi, so what we will write? We will write 0.500 kg, 0.500 kg. Why 0 means there is no kg, 5.500 means there is a gram. Why there is a gram? Because we have put in the decimal fraction. See how the value is changes because of the one decimal point. Because of the 1 point, the whole number is having a change value. Okay, अगर मैं यहाँ से 1.00 से अगर उसका पॉइंट हटा दूं तो यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा, 1,000 kg हो जाएगा। बट बिकॉज ऑफ द वन सिंगल पॉइंट द होल वैल्यू इज चेंज्ड। ओके, सो सी द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉइंट। नाउ tomatoes is having 250 gram, 250 gram means 1/4. Okay, and 750 means 3/4 kg, so 1/4 kg 250 gram, it is 0.250 kg, 0.2, huh, 0.250 kg. Now we have to plus it. Now let's plus the kgs number and see the same answer you are getting or no. Okay, don't copy it, plus by your own. Okay, it's 9:35. Till 9:36 I will wait. Okay, Okay, so you all get the same answer. Now see the difference between gram and the kg. Okay, see here it is, here we have written directly 2500 grams, and here we have written 2.500 kg. 2 point, why 2 point? Because after one number there is a decimal point, so after the decimal point, below decimal point we have to write. We can't write decimal point anywhere. आपको decimal point कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखना है, जहां पर decimal point है वहां पर ही आपको decimal point देना है. Okay, so here also 2500 gram. 2000 means 1000 equals to 1 kg. So 2000 equals to 2 kg. How? See, 2 kg आया हमारा, and 500 grams. 500 grams we can't convert because it is 2 quarter only, not a 4 quarter. 4 quarter means 1000, but there is no a 4 quarter. So we have to write 500 kg, 2.500 kg. It means both are having the same answer, but because of the decimal point we change the number. We directly read here 2 kg 500 gram, but here we will read it 2500 gram. Here how we will read it? 2500 gram, but the meaning is both are having the same. Okay, all of you understood till here? All of you understood? When we are removing some part of a whole part, it is known as a fractions. Okay, 2 kg is the whole part, and from 1 kg we have removed 500 grams. So 500 gram will become our fractions. Okay, 2.500. Okay, understanding? When we are removing from the whole part, this thing, this basic you have learned in the 5th standard. For but again for revision I am saying you, when we are removing some part from the whole part, that is known as a fraction. Understood all of you? Okay, now let's see the problem set. Problem set, that is 14. Okay, problem set 14. See in your textbook. Okay, in the table below write the place value of each of the digit in the number. When we will get the number of this whole numbers, then we will get this number. Okay, this number we will get. Okay, when we will get the whole number of these boxes, answer of these boxes, then we will get the number this. Okay, how? Let's see. Now see here, here is the 100 place value. Okay, now 3 digit is 3. What they have asked in the table below, write the place value of each digit. We have to write the place value of the digits. Okay, so these are the digits. Okay, so we have to write the place value of these digits. How we will write? Now it is, here is the place value. Okay, so and here is the place. These are the places. Okay, ये number के places है. So how we will write? 3 is given on the digit place. Okay, 3 is given, so what is the place of the 3 is 100. So we will write place value 300. How? See here, 100 multiply by, wait, 100 multiply by 3. Okay, so you will get 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. So your place value of 3 is 300. Now what is the next? Okay, write down in your textbook with pencil. with pencil, write down in your textbook. Answers are there. Okay, I am showing you the answer also. With when I'm explaining, you also do in your book and write down. Okay, सिर्फ छापो मत, don't copy it. Okay, understand it, student. Now the next sum. Next digit is 7. Next digit is 7. And what is the place of 7? Tens. So I can write directly 70. I can write here 70. But how I got 70? See here. 10 multiplied by 7. That is 7 zeros are 0. 7 ones are 7. So I got tens place, that is 70. Okay, whatever place is given here, we have to multiply it with the digit. Okay, now after that it is given, write down 70. I'm rubbing it, write down 70. Okay, next unit. What is the place of unit? 8. And sorry, what is the digit? 8. And what is the place of the 8? That is 1. What is the place of the 8? That is 1. That is unit. So we will multiply it. 1 multiplied by 8. 8 ones are 8. So we will get the answer 8. We will get the answer 8. The place value of 8 is unit. So answer will be 8. Okay, here it will be 70. I will show you the slide of the answer. Okay, if not written, no problem. I will show you the slide of the answer. Now see here. After the unit, you are having one column that is of decimal point. In your textbook, you are having the column of decimal point. After the unit, you all are having the column of decimal point. So decimal point has came. Now we will divide it. Now how to divide? See, what is the digit? Digit is 0. Okay, and the place, what is the place? That is 10. So we will, how you will do? See here, how you got this answer? If there is 0, 0 upon 10. So 0 doesn't divide, so we will get it 0 only. We will get the answer 0 only. So the 10th place is 0 upon 10 equals to 0. Now the second sum. 2 is on the digit place. 2 is on the, wait, what is the digit? That is 2. Digit क्या है हमारा? 2. What is the place of the 2? 100. What is the place of the 2? 100. So what we will do? See, 1 upon 100 is there. Okay, we will multiply it by 2 equals to 1 2s are 2 upon 100. How you got the answer 0.02? Because of the 0. 0 is there and the 2 is the smaller number than the 100. So we can divide it with 2. We can divide it by 100? No. Why? Because 2 is the smaller than the 100. So we can't divide it by 100. So 0 will come before 2. If I will write after the 2, it get the value. After the 2, if I will write, it get value. Okay, so how you will write?